Hello, this tutorial will guide you in selecting a date, time, campus, and conference center on the facility request form. Here on the facility request form, you will fill out all the applicable boxes for your event. And then when you get down to add meeting, I'm going to go ahead and type in the event title. Here I'll put Test Ad Astra. And then you'll select an event type. I'll select event. And then when you come down to add meeting, you'll insert a start date, an end time, a start time and a start date along with an end time and end date. You can select one for single and multiple, but for this one right here, we'll go ahead and do a single. So I'll select a start time at 9 a.m. with an end time at 11 a.m. Now I will interject that a 10-day lead time is required on the facility request form. So if I was to select next Friday, which is May 27th, you can click inside this end date and it'll automatically populate it. And if I were to click add meeting, it would give me a notice that it is unable to create the meeting due to an insufficient lead time. So you will need 10 days advance notice. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And I'm going to set my start date for, let me go ahead and select June 10th. I'll click inside again in the end date to automatically populate June 10th. And then I'll click add meeting. And here you'll see that my meeting, Test Ad Astra, is on June 10th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm going to go ahead and select Assign Rooms because I want to locate my conference center. Now, to get a list of the campus codes, because you will need that for using your filters, I will say if you first come to this area and you do not see a filter box, click the arrow above filter and it'll expand the panel so you can see the filter box. So to get a list of the codes for the campuses, you can go to the Conference Services homepage. If you're on the Collin homepage, just type in Conference Services, hit search, and your option here is Conference Services. This is the Conference Services homepage. If you scroll down to where it says Campus Codes on the right, click on that. It'll get you a PDF copy of all the campus codes. So McKinney campus is CC, Salina campus is CEC, and so forth. Technical campus, they go by building codes, as well as the Wiley campus goes by building codes. If you are looking for a list of the conference centers, then you would click the list of conference centers and you'll have a PDF that'll outline all of the campuses with the conference centers. We have Frisco campus, McKinney, Plano, and Wiley campus with conference centers, and at the technical campus is a special Kone conference center room. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the facility request form. Here on the filter box, I'm going to click clear because I had a campus already listed, and then I'm going to click this plus sign that expands a listing of all the campus codes. So I'm going to select CC for the McKinney campus, and I'll click done. Then I'll click room type, the plus across room type, and here inside this box, I'm going to start typing conference. And conference will automatically show. I'm going to put a check mark in conference, click done. Now all that's left is for me to search for my results. So with the magnifying and the blue search, I'm going to click on that, and here is the listing of all the conference centers. Here it shows you that each section and conference center and the entire conference center is available. For all the conference centers that only have the number without a letter, that's indicating that that is the entire conference center. Those with the number and a letter indicates that it's the conference center and it's a conference center section. So F110A is a section, F1TB is another section, and F1TC is another section. And that is the same thing for each and every campus. So if you were to select, for example, let me go ahead and do that, the Frisco campus, you would see letters behind the number, which is indicating these are sections, and again, just the number indicates that it is the conference center by itself. Again, hover over the bullet sign and you will see a picture of the entire conference centers, or the sections, a picture of the section. So I'm going to go ahead and hit clear again on the campus because I want to find the McKinney campus. I'm going to select CC, done. I want to find the McKinney campus conference center. So here, F110 CC, that is the McKinney campus conference center, and I want to use the entire conference center. So I will click on this available, and it selects all the sections there because I am using, again, the entire conference center. Now all that's left for me to do is select OK. And here I have selected for my meeting, my event, the Ad Astra on Friday, June 10th, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., McKinney Campus Conference Center F110. Now all that's left for you to do as a requester is fill out all the remaining applicable boxes and just hit submit, and you have submitted your request form. Now, if you do have multiple dates, I will walk you through that. I'm going to go ahead and delete this meeting. I'll add a new meeting. I'm going to select the option for multiple. So let's say I am going to need the conference center for 2 morning dates and 2 afternoon dates on the second week of July. So I will enter my time as, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And to advance to July, to advance to your next month, you click these double arrows, and I'm going to go to July. And so for July, the first week of July, since we are closed on Monday, you would not be able to schedule that. So I'm going to go ahead and select for July 4th, I'm going to go ahead and select Tuesday the 5th, Wednesday the 6th for my morning dates. I'll click this arrow to bring my dates over. I'll then need to enter a group name, and here I'll just go ahead and put AM, click OK, and it brings over my morning dates. Tuesday the 5th, Wednesday the 6th, 9 to 11. So now I need 2 dates for my afternoon. And here I'm going to select 1 to 3. And I'm going to select July 7th, July 8th. Click the plus sign. My group name will be PM for my afternoon dates. I'll click OK. And here are my afternoon dates. So now I need to find a conference room, a conference center. So I'll click Add. Now I'm going to click Assign Rooms to go and find my conference center. So let's say that you want to have it at the Wiley campus. So here I'm going to hit clear to wipe out my campus. Click the plus sign. I'm going to go down to WC for Wiley campus. Click Done. Then I'm going to click on the plus icon across from room type and type conference. Click the check mark inside for conference. Click Done. Hit search. And now it's telling me that with my afternoon dates, it is not available. It is unavailable on Thursday from 1 to 3 on July 7th. But it is available on Friday. Well, that's not going to work for me, right? Because I really need to have my morning and afternoon dates. So let's say you decide to have it at a different campus. So we'll go ahead and hit the campus clear, click on that plus sign, select PC for the Frisco campus, select done, hit search, and here at the Frisco campus I have my morning dates for Tuesday and Wednesday 9 to 11 available, and my afternoon dates for Thursday and Friday available. Just to show you that if you were to click this plus sign right here, this will expand your dates and you can see them all. But I'm going to go ahead and collapse them and just have them grouped and hit that first available, which selects all my morning dates. All right. And then I'm going to select my afternoon dates. And here are all my afternoon dates selected as well. Now all that's left is for me to click OK and fill out my remainder questions here and then hit submit. Once you hit submit, you should receive an email that says that your request is being reviewed, and once your request has been approved, you should receive another email. If you have any questions, please contact Conference Services. Here on the homepage is their phone number, or you could also send an email, conference_services@collin.edu. Thanks for your time.